Welcome, fellow artists, to kimikoARTS. Today, we are going to learn how to draw a cartoony helicopter. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this one. For this activity, you will need a pencil for all the basic shapes. I always have two ready in case one breaks. A black marker for outlining our final drawing, and an eraser to get rid of all the rough lines we made to give our artwork an extra professional look.
So to begin with, we are going to break our helicopter down into the basic shapes. So we are going to start with an oval shape for the main part of the helicopter. So you might have to go around a few times to get an oval that you are happy with, but it should be pretty big and symmetrical as well. Then you're going to add the tail of the helicopter. Which is gonna look a little something like this. After you've added that, you can add
a small line at the top, which is going to be where the main rotor will be. Then you're going to add two curved lines close to the bottom and another long straight line, which is going to be one of the landing skids. Then you can add another line parallel to that first line for the second landing skid.
So after you have completed those lines, you're going to add a little bit more detail. So we're going to go back into the tail and we're going to add a circle and then just a little propeller, which looks a little something like this. It's a circle, almost like a trillium.
Then we're going to add a little bit more detail to the main rotor, make it a little bit thicker. And then you're going to add two petal-shaped blades at the top. You can make these blades as long or as short as you would like. And then we're going to add a little bit more thickness to the landing skids. So I'm just going around and using those basic shapes as a guide and drawing lines going around them. After that, I'm going to move on and add a little bit more detail to the main part of my helicopter. So the first thing I'm going to add is a cockpit window at the front. So kind of a front windshield, and then a passenger window closer to the back.
So at this point, we have all the basic shapes. Now before I start outlining, I'm going to add a few other people. I'm going to add the pilot, who's going to be sitting at the front of the helicopter, steering the way. And you can make your pilot look however you like. I'm gonna have mine wearing sunglasses. He's gonna be having a great time. Maybe add some spiky hair. An ear. And there we go. So after I've added my pilot, I'm going to add another passenger in the front. This passenger is going to have on sunglasses as well. She is going to be having a great time. And is just going to be enjoying the view. And in the back, you can add an extra passenger. I'm gonna add a little monkey who for some reason is in this helicopter. And he's gonna be having a great time. In the back as well, and maybe even waving to us. So at this point, you can start outlining with your permanent marker all the lines that you'd like to keep.
Now I'm going to erase all my pencil lines to reveal an impressive helicopter. Now you can have a little bit of fun and color in your drawing with marker, pencil crayons, or if you're extra daring, paint. This will make your cartoony helicopter look extra animated and really stand out. There you have it, a cartoony helicopter ready to transport people and cargo wherever they need to go. What will your helicopter be used for? Search and rescue? Medical transport? Or perhaps tourism? If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment below. Thank you for joining me. Remember to be yourself, have fun, and to keep drawing. Until next time.